How to enable contactless on Revolut. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can enable contactless on Revolut. So to do that, first of all, launch and open the Revolut app and simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, your home page will look somewhat like this, where in order to enable contactless, you'll have to basically go to your cards. Now to do that, simply tap on these cards option, which is right over here. After that, basically choose any one of your physical cards. Now I'll simply choose my standard card. Now you'll have to basically tap on the settings option, and then if you scroll down to the settings, you can see an option called contactless payment. There all you have to do is basically toggle that feature on, and you will have successfully enabled contactless on your Revolut. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.